Welcome, in front of me is a CAT S52, and today I'll show you a couple of tweaks and tricks that I can do on this device. And beginning with the first one, I'm going to start off with the glove mode, which makes the display a little bit more responsive to the touch, helps the usability where you're using a glove, but also if you're already struggling, for instance, with the device responding to your touch, this might help you a bit as well. And to get this enabled, let's go to display. And from here scroll down till you see the glove mode, enable that, and well, we're done with the first one. Then moving on, we're going to go to the device theme, which again it's actually located under the display and allows you to set a little bit of a darker theme. Now by default it's set to be based on the wallpaper, and right now it's set to light. We go device theme, you can see that it's set to automatic, but you can set it to either light right here to be stable one, or dark. And as you can see, it changes the notification panel to be darker shade. It also includes a couple apps, but not too many. Then moving on to the next one, it's going to be the showing password option. Let's disregard that. So by default, if we go into an area where we actually need to type in a password, like right here, you can see that there is always the latest letter visible. Now we actually can get rid of this by going into the settings, security and location, and from here you'll find the option, toggle it off, and if we go back now, you can clearly see that there is no more letter visible. So moving on, we're gonna go into removing animation, and that is if you actually like the look without the animation, it helps you increase the usability of the device. So by removing the animation, you don't actually have to wait for it to slide down or whatever it's going to be doing, like the zooming in and out. And to get this disabled, you'd go into the accessibility and check the remove animation on right here. And from here you can already see that there is no more animation. Whatever you press basically happens immediately. And the last thing that I want to show is the gestures. So there's an option for you to get back the old buttons. Now the Google gestures that they have implemented, I believe in Android 9 as this is, weren't necessarily the greatest. It's basically the same as it was before, just makes it look a little bit more wonky and hides buttons that aren't being accessible. For instance, like right now we can't really go back, but then when we can, it appears with the button. Now it's still technically not gestures, so I'm not necessarily a fan of it. And if you're the person that prefers the old one over this pale one, we can go into the settings, and from here scroll down to system, choose gestures, and then swipe up on home button, disable that, and you'll get the old buttons that take just as much space and aren't as confusing as the pill. So this will conclude all the tweaks and tricks that I want to share, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.